Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to edit and change text on any web page in Google Chrome. This is a super handy trick for taking screenshots with custom text, creating mockups, or just having fun with what's displayed on your screen. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is running, navigate to any website where you want to edit the text. It could be a news article, a social media page, or literally any site you want to modify for your own viewing purposes. Now browse through the page and locate the specific text you want to edit or change. This could be a headline, a paragraph, a button label, or any other piece of text that's displayed on the website. Take a moment to identify exactly what you want to modify before moving forward. Once you've found the text you want to change, right-click directly on that text. This will open up Chrome's context menu with several options available. From this menu, you'll need to click on the option labeled Inspect. This action opens Chrome's built-in developer tools, which give you access to the website's underlying code structure. After clicking Inspect, the developer tool panel will appear on the right side of your browser window. This panel displays the HTML code that makes up the web page you're viewing. It might look a bit technical at first, but don't worry, you only need to focus on one specific part. You'll notice that Chrome automatically highlights the section of code corresponding to the text you right-clicked on, making it easier to locate what you need to modify. In the Developer Tool panel, find the exact text that you want to change. It will typically be displayed between quotation marks or within HTML tags. Once you've located it, simply click on that text in the code panel to place your cursor there. Now you can erase the existing text and type in whatever you prefer instead. This could be anything you want, whether it's a joke, a different headline, or custom content for a screenshot. After you've typed your new text, hit the Enter key on your keyboard. As soon as you do this, the changes will appear instantly on the web page itself. The text you edited will now display your custom version instead of the original content. Keep in mind that these changes are only visible on your screen and are temporary. They won't affect the actual website for anyone else, and they'll disappear once you refresh the page. Need tough and then degat. And that's it, you've successfully edited text on any web page using Google Chrome's developer tools. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.